Hello everyone, Hashim again from the Canadian Home. Today let's discuss about a project which is a freehold townhome project in Oakville. A great product for even for the end users as well as for investors. Because Oakville has got one of the highest rental potential in GTA. Great schools, one of the top rated schools in Oakville. So obviously Oakville is a desired location for both end users as well as investors. So this is a 100% freehold townhome which is developed by a third generation builder in GTA. You can see an aerial view here. There are three types of townhome here, like contemporary towns, traditional and terrace and urban townhomes. The square feet will range from around 1600 square foot up to 2700 square foot. You can see here there are few lots here and here. You'll get a ravine lot, and also there is a water body just behind the project. And also this is surrounded by great schools and like near to all the big box stores as well. Then you can see this is also again an aerial view of the same project in a very good location, and in fact built by a third generation builder in GTA. You can see here the exact location. It is coming up in Bernardo Road West and 6th line. This project is called Nava Oakville, Nava Towns. So you can see it is just one block away from Highway 407, and all the big box stores, retail, schools and parks, and also it is surrounded by around like 5 to 6 golf courses. And it is not really that far from the downtown Oakville as well, because Oakville is a very close-knit community. Everything is like, in 10 to 15 minutes you can reach from one end to other end. So that way Oakville is a great community for a family living. So you can see the elevations here. This is terrace towns, this is urban towns and traditional towns. I have a different slides as well for that. We will check here. You can see here, this is the elevation. This is a 2 garage, 2 story, 2300 square foot, 100% freehold townhomes, which comes with 4 bedroom and 3 wash. You can see other one is 1700 square foot. This is 3 bedroom and 1 garage, and this is also like 1 story. There's one more. This is 2500 square foot, 4 bedroom and 2 garage. This is 2 stories. So these are the different kinds of products they are building. Almost 3 types of products they are building in Nava Towns. Like, feel free to give me a call at 289-772-6202. We can discuss about the project in detail and also about the pricing and all other details. So this is like for urban towns, like there is almost $100,000 in free upgrades and standards. And the deposit structure, it runs almost like 30 days up to 180 days. And for traditional and terrace towns, it goes up to 240 days. Basically, it is an extended deposit structure. We can actually discuss all these things in detail when we sit and discuss, and we can work out a creative deposit structure also. Like, even in fact, if you have any difficulty in this, like, we can put up one-to-one, we can discuss, and we can see what best we can do for you. So there is no condo fee because it is 100% freehold. So you can see here almost 100,000 of free upgraded items will be given as a standard package in this condo, in this townhome. So like you can see here, there are so many things has been listed here, and also there's a large backyard on selected units, like for that which they are not even charging. Modern design and surrounding natural heritage system along with the trails and walkways. So there are a lot of trials as well in Oakville. You can see here, this is again the site map. So this builder is a third generation builder in Oakville. So that means they have been building since long time. So they have been building like both residential as well as commercial. So they are very experienced home builders in GTA. So feel free to give me a call at 289-772-6202. We can discuss any real estate needs whatsoever you have. Thank you so much.